Hello, hello. I'm Juliana Hever, the plant-based dietitian, and this is the What Would Juliana Do Q&A. Today, I want to talk about spice and how spice is the spice of life and how magical spices can transition just some basic staple health promoting foods into anything your palate desires. So today I started with one of my favorite basic ingredients, and that is riced cauliflower. And of course, I made 3 different versions of this because that's how much I love you. I'm going to be eating cauliflower rice for a week in different versions, and I'm going to share with you what I did. So most of these recipes, all 3 of these recipes, take the same base ingredients. First is this, of course, my cream of mushroom cauliflower rice. And you know this recipe, it's on my website, plantbaseddietitian.com. It's got lots of mushrooms and lots of Thanksgiving flavors, but the base is cauliflower rice and onions and celery. So kind of like a mirepoix. And I added some greens, of course, but the flavors are here. We have in here poultry seasoning. So this is the poultry seasoning in here. And that's basically sage, rosemary, thyme blend. And then I add some red chili flakes for some heat and also some black pepper for some heat as well. Some different types of heat. Additionally, I put in fresh sage, rosemary, and thyme for an extra kick in this recipe, but it's just, it all goes the same. It's all about making flavors and creating all sorts of deliciousness. Now, take the same ingredients, voila, magic. Cauliflower rice, green, some onion. Okay, this time there's some chickpeas. This is a curried cauliflower chickpea rice. And this is from originally the Healthspan solution. And what's the spice flavor in there? Primarily, it's curry powder and then some cayenne powder. So it's got a lot of heat, a lot of warmth and depth, and it's got those flavors of Indian cuisine that makes it really delicious and very completely different than the other recipe. Now let's go one other addition. This is a new recipe coming soon. I'm working on this in the kitchen, but this is basically the flavors of Mexico. Again, same staple basics, cauliflower rice, some onion, and that's it. Now all I did was add some different flavors. So in this one, we have some chili powder and some Mexican oregano and some cumin. So these are wonderful flavors of Mexico that I absolutely love and enjoy. So these are 3 just examples of all the myriad options that there are available. There are so many different spices and spice blends. The best way to get familiar if you're uncomfortable and you're new to it is basically to follow recipes, because someone's already done the homework for you. You don't have to reinvent it. So experiment and then find the spice blends and spices that you love and make you really happy. This is the best way to get those staple foods, those vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, mushrooms, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices in infinite tasty combinations, because there is no limit to what you can do with all of these added spices. Bonus, spices contain lots of phytonutrients, which are also health promoting. So I hope that helps give you a little bit of inspiration in the kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me, and for all of your wonderful questions, please keep them coming via the comment section below, direct message, and my website, plantbaseddietitian.com. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.